This is the interface that appears when you open a Microsoft PowerPoint for presentation. Microsoft PowerPoint is a software that enables you to make presentations for publications or for a particular presentation. The app or the software has several features that as a beginner you have to get familiarized yourself before you can start using the app. So let's look at the key features of the Microsoft PowerPoint interface before we come to how it is being used to make a slide or a PowerPoint for presentation. So we have first the top bar called the title bar and the right one. So on the title bar we have key features or key commands that when you press on this it causes a change in the interface. We have the save button that enables you to save a particular document or let's say presentation you've made in the PowerPoint. We have the undo. Then we have this one which enables you to apply particular commands like new for open a new document, or let's say if you want to open a new document, you can come here, open a new document. You can have for a print in an email, you have the spelling and the rest. We have the name of the document, so that when you see the document, you have the name appearing on this. We have the minimize button, the maximize button, and the close button. Then on the right one, we have several features that enables you to apply several commands in the working area or the interface. So you have the home tab, you have the insert tab, you have the design, you have transitions, you have animation, the slideshow review, the view, and developer. Each of these tabs have particular commands that when you apply or click on them, it will cause a change in the Word document. The most commonly used command or the tab is the home button, which enables you to have a particular key features or commands when you want to just type or let's say insert a particular cause a change in the word interface. We have the slide shown here and the outline. If the presentation has outline, it can be shown here too. Then we have down here you have this slide, but you can add a particular note to the slide. Let's say if you do presentation and the area here is so small to contain your the word or let's say input you want to be on the slide, you can add them here. Then we have some key features here. We have what we call the maximize or the zoom in and the zoom out. So you can choose to zoom in or zoom out the slide. So let's see, when you click on this, you are going to zoom in. That is, you are going to decrease the size of the slide. And if you zoom out, you are going to increase the size of the slide. You have several other commands here. The most important is the slideshow, that when you click on that, it is going to take the whole screen of your computer. So when you click on the escape button to send it back to the slide. Now let's look at some key features in the PowerPoint and how to do a PowerPoint presentation. Now on the home tab, we have the most important commands or buttons that when you click on them, you can have particular document or say change in the word interface. We have the cuts here, copy here, just like how it is used in the Microsoft Word. We have several layouts for the slides. So these are the layout of the slides. When you click on any of them, based on how you want your slides to appear, when you click on any of these layout, it will cause a change in the slide interface. So if I want to have a slide with just a title and let's see a written update, I will just choose this layout which contains a slide and what the update. Equally, I can just adjust the size of each of these. So I can adjust, I can decrease from the side, the edges, based on how I want it. I can choose to do it any way I want it. You can have other layout like the ones here. That is, if you want to normally insert a chart, or let's say you want to insert a picture and the title here, becomes the title. If you have to input the title here, then we have here's the picture. You can have a chart, you can have a table, you can have a clip art or any other document that you want to add to this. At least this interface or this layout gives you the title area and any of this. You can equally add a text by just typing anything that you want here. We have other layouts like this ones, just like any of them. You can have these ones if you want to have two interface. That is one title and one areas, two areas. So you can have a title here, and these are the two areas that you can work with. You have other layout like a blank. If you want the slide to have a blank surface, here you can choose to insert a picture anyhow you want it. So based on how you want the slide to look like, you can just come here layout and choose any of them. Now, if you want to present a new slide, let's say you have a slide, you want to have a new slide, we have this command here, new slide, you can click on it anytime you want to add a new slide. If you want to reverse the process, just click on the undo as we showed earlier. You can equally add a new slide by just clicking the end of the slide, right click there, then you come to new slide. If I want to insert it here, I can just click at the beginning or the middle of these two slides and come here, insert new slide, to insert a slide which is in between the first one and the second one. By shortcut, you can equally on your keyboard just click Ctrl plus M. That also presents you a new slide. So these are the different ways you can choose add new slide. So if you want to reverse the process, just come here again and click on undo. You can add several slide designs, so or colors that you want, aside the layout that you may choose to, let's say, add. You can add several slide designs that you want. When it comes to design tab, it's present you with different slide designs that you enable to make your slide more pictorial, to make it a visual and so nice. So when I come here, this design will give me this orientation like this. If I click on this, these are different designs I can apply to my slide. Take note, when you apply one of these designs to any of them, all the subsequent slides will appear as the previous slide. Take note. So it is very hard for you to present just one design only to one slide unless you go by particular editing or designing in the slide. If you want to present more designs you have here, you can just show here, present yourself with several designs, any of them. So you can choose any of them and apply them to your slide. Or if you come here, you can move down gently to get the slides. Now let's get back to the default slide. So my default slide was this. Just click on it and it get back to my slide. Now let's see how you are going to present, or let's see. You can also get what is called a slide orientation. So here this is slide orientation. When you come to design tab, once again, you can orient the slide a way you want. So you can orient it as either landscape, in this case, sorry, landscape in which the height is shorter than this width, or let's say a portrait in which the height is longer than the width. You can set up the slides anyhow you want it. So here the page setup, it enables you to adjust the slide in the way you want. So here by default, what I'm having here, I'm having a 7.5 inch width and 10.0 inch height. So if I want to get, let's say, a slide of the same height or the same side, like a square, just have to increase the size of the width to present it 10. So if you have here 10, so if I get to 10 here, then it's in landscape form and I click OK, I'm going to get a slide of a particular defined size. So the size are the same. So here it's just 10 inch each, based on how you want it. So let's get back to how we were doing it. So let's choose our default slide, which is landscape. So we've chosen this. Now let's see how you can go by slide. So let's say I want to do a presentation on any presentation at all, based on what you want. Let's say I want to do a presentation on, let's say, let me see how to, so how to say cook. So how to cook, this becomes my title. That's the one I want to select. So this one, I can choose any of the layout I want. I choose this one. In your own, you can choose this one, that one, or any of them that you want. So if I come how to cook, maybe you may choose to adjust the size of this. This one is just common, or it's a constant in even Microsoft Word. You can choose to move this one up small like this. You can choose to adjust the size of the title. You can choose to increase the size. So the size of this one, say increase it, say bolden it small. You can even choose to change the color anyhow you want it. So you can choose to change the color to this. If, let's say, you want to present yourself a picture, you want to insert a picture in the slide, just come here, then click on this. So this is a picture. You can choose it from here straight. So you can just click on this and it send it to your Word document, or the document for you to select a picture you want. Or you can come to the Insert tab, then click on the picture. So when you click on the picture, it's a clip art, screenshot, anything after. When you click any of them, just like how this one presents, it will send you to your document. Then you have to now navigate through your document and search for the picture that you want. So let's say the picture that you want to use, let's make it a bit quickly, let's see, view, let me go to the large icon, so extra large, so I can see the picture I want to send. So these pictures are not the right pictures to use. I'm just using them for illustration. Let's see my picture I want to insert. I have some nice pictures. Download here. Let me check. So I think I have nice pictures I can choose. So these are just academic pictures. If you want to, so maybe I want to insert this picture like this. So you can include insert this picture. So nice like that. You can adjust the size of the pictures too. Now when the picture takes the size and you want to add the writing to it, it's normally advisable for you to add the text before you add the picture, so that the whole space in the slide or say in that page will not be covered by the picture. But in case you may be mistaken and add the picture page before you add the slide, you can, don't worry, you can just insert the text here. Here you can click, come here, and let's see, type what you the text you want to add. When this picture takes this space, there is no way you're going to add a picture and any text here again. So for you to add a text, come here and click on the notes. Maybe you want to, so the picture here is culture media and culture. So let's see, the text I want to add is, let's see, types. So I want to add types of culture media. So I want to add types of, I think I'm mistaken to have some types of culture media. So let's say types of media. So let's type media. Here you can just choose to select or and cards. So either you press Ctrl X or just right click and select cards. Then you come to any blank space on the slide and paste. When you paste that, what you copy there is going to be pasted on the word interface. So here I want to bring the text up. So if you move it up here like this, you're going to have the text to appear on top of your picture. Now here you can just do this by maybe adjusting the size of the picture. So I want to say I want to so I want to select the whole thing. Then you can choose to adjust the size of the writings here. So adjust them, adjust text. You can choose to bolden it. Can we choose to, so here it is. So can we extend it this way? You expect it to be linear. You can choose to move it up. That is how to go. Click on the new slide. The next one, activate. So